I say as we rolling, I think we might be. What's going on, y'all? It's Roadside Riding. I got a treat for y'all today. As you can see, we about to change this 14-inch trailer tire. It went to separating on the driver while he was up here doing his work, and he couldn't make it any further. So what did he do? Call Mike to go ahead and get that thing taken care of, and guess what I'm gonna do? Just that. We gonna take care of that tire like it ain't nothing. That little bitty 14-inch tire ain't gonna stand a chance. As for me, I'm gonna go ahead and quit all that talking and we gonna get into it. This job officially starts in 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Let's get this joker jacked up, man, shall we? I hope y'all can see that. We in there. We done made contact. And we moving up in the world, baby. Come on. That should be high enough, man. I don't think I need to go up anymore. If I do, I'll handle that later, which I'm good. Let's get you off of there. Now, I think this is either gonna be a 3/4. Nope, 13/16. Yep. Let's get him off. Make sure I take this cap out of there. You don't want to slide it on the ground and bend that. Yeah, that joker went to separating bad. Look at this spot right here. Sheesh. I know it's not any air in there. Oh, it was a little bit. Let's do this. I meant to just grab 2 rugs, but shoot, 3 came out the truck, which is fine with me. I was looking at a tire man on the internet the other day, and he was saying how changing these little bitty tires are harder than doing the semi-truck tires. And I'm here to tell you, as a professional tire man, I've been doing this for the majority of my life. He was not lying. That man ain't never lied. Well, I don't know if he done lied in his life, but right there, he was not lying. I'm gonna tell you why. When you're dealing with them big semi-truck tires, you got a lot more rubber to deal with versus these smaller trailer tires and just regular passenger tires. They don't have a lot of rubber. And more specifically, they don't have a lot of sidewall. I mean, look at that little bit of area you got to deal with. Versus a semi-truck tire, you got a lot of sidewall to deal with. You know what I'm saying? But either way, it don't matter what size it is. I'm gonna make that thing look easy no matter what. 14, 22 and a half, 24 and a half, 24s, 30s. It don't make no difference. When you're an experienced tire man, You've been doing this for a while. You got the right tools. All of it's easy to you, baby. Look, I took my time with that one. She just slid right on out. I don't know what that bug doing right there. One more. It's the last one for sure. There we go. There we go. One thing about it, they may give you a little fight. Never said they won't give you a fight, but it's gonna be worth it. And eventually it's gonna give in. And like I said, if you're a professional at this thing, that little fight ain't gonna cause no harm. It's just a part of the job, you understand that. Now taking that valve stem out just then, that was no fight. That was just too easy. But back to that tire. It may just be a little tight on the wheel, be a little snug, you know what I'm saying? It might not slide off as easy as a semi-truck tire, but when you do what you do to that thing, it's gonna come on off, and it's just gonna be another day at the office. It's gonna get you on there. Let's check out that lube, man. I know that lube look good. I let that water sit overnight. Ooh, Lord. Man, y'all trying to do something to me on the side of the road, boy. Good God Almighty. Put you back up. We see how this one got the dots on there, so we're gonna make sure to put that dot right there next to that valve stem. It's gonna put you on. Hit them with that double knee. Oh, she about to come on. That foot gonna stop all that. Ooh, go ahead and drop on there, baby. Make sure that valve stem lined up with that dot. There you go. There you go. Come on over. Sometimes you gotta put that boot on him. Got a wide wheel on this one. I'm gonna put that cheetah tank on him. I'm probably gonna end up hitting it from the back side, but we're gonna see. Crank you back up. I need some air, baby. Let's see what that tank do, baby. Come on. One hit. Don't ever doubt my baby, man. Don't ever doubt my baby, man. I ain't even have to hit it from the back, man. One hit from the front, she gave in. One hit from the front, she caved in. I got 35 in there. This a new trailer tire. It's calling for 65 max. I'm gonna put him 60. Where we at? 60 on the head. I'm a bad man with it. Slide you on. Just work that joker down. Put the cap on. Just like Boots and Webby, I'm gonna wipe him down. Let's go back on with you. What I tell you, easy work, right? I appreciate y'all for coming on this job with me, man. I truly do. I appreciate everybody who supports my channel, watches my videos, likes them, comment, and interacts with it. If it weren't for y'all, I wouldn't do this. I don't do this for my health. And with that out the way, NASCAR, is you ready? Let's let this jack down, man. If you've enjoyed this video, man, I'm gonna ask you to do me a huge favor. And if you know me, you know I don't ask for favors, but I need one from y'all today. If you would, drop a like on this video, man. Leave me a comment on this video, man. Share it with your people. And if you haven't, go ahead and subscribe, man. Why you ain't subscribed to the channel yet, man? I got plenty more of this coming. You need to be subscribed so you can check this out, man. Make sure you turn on the notification bell too. And the last favor I'm gonna ask you, hype this video up, man. If you appreciate this work that I'm putting in, you see me out here grinding. You see me making tire changes look easy. You see me showing this off to the common people, man. Now y'all see what we do in such a niche down industry. Hype this video up, man, please. Other than that, as for me, I'm about to take myself to my next customer. This job right here is what I like to call a success.